Hi friends. This is Caesar from PS Tuteler. There is a typography style text on artboard. How we can create it in Illustrator. How we can generate it. Let's get started without any delay. First I will pick text tool. Write any text on artboard. Suppose I wrote Hello Tuteler. Then pick ellipse tool. Press Shift and draw a black circle. Pick line segment tool. Make sure mouse pointer is in center of black circle. Press Shift and draw a horizontal line. Pick selection tool. Select round shape along with line. Find Pathfinder and open it. Click on this icon for trim. It trimmed the black round circle shape. Select circle and text with help of selection tool. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus C. You can see text turned into typography style. In this way we can make our text a typography style text. I hope you like this technique. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.